we have to add all the three numbers, minus 20 plus minus 45 plus minus 35. So add the following numbers means you have to write plus sign between them. Now let us see. Let us simplify these two first. Minus 20 and minus 45 is simplify first. What? Yes, underline. What is sign of 20? Minus. What is sign of 20? Minus. What is sign of 45? Minus. So minus minus means same sign. No, not plus. Minus minus means same sign. And whenever there is same sign, minus minus, we add the number and take the common sign minus. So minus minus, we take the common sign minus, minus and add the number. 20 plus 45 is 65. And other we keep as it is, plus minus 35. Is it clear? See here. What is sign of 20? Minus. What is sign of 45? Minus. Minus minus means same sign. So you have to take the common sign minus minus as minus and add the numbers. 20 plus 45, 65. Now we'll simplify what is minus 65 plus minus 35. What is sign of 65? Yes, what is sign of 65? Minus. What is sign of 35? Minus. So sign of 35 is minus, sign of 65 is minus. So we take the common sign minus minus, we write minus. Common sign we write minus 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 and then we add the number. 65 plus 35 is 100. Yes, 100. So this is the answer. Answer is minus 100. Yes, mute the microphone. Answer is minus 100. Mute the microphone. Answer is because see. Yes. Wait. What is sign of 6? What is sign of 6? Yes. What is sign of 65? Yes, mute the microphone. What is sign of 65? Minus. Sign of 65 is minus. Sign of 35 is minus. So whenever they have same sign, minus minus, I have to take the common sign minus. Minus minus we write minus and then we add the number. 65 plus 35 is 100 and common sign is minus, it becomes minus 100. Yes, because they have same sign, no. Minus minus means you have to add and take the common sign minus. So minus minus, common sign is minus. 65 plus 35 is 100. Now let us take next one, F. Yes, right. F minus 416. Minus 416, 386. Then minus 419. Minus 419. Add the following. So we write minus 416 plus 386 plus minus 419. Add the following means you have to write plus sign between the numbers. You have to write plus sign between the numbers. Now let us simplify. Simplify for yes, it is coming clear. Because the question is add the following, no. Add the following means add the following means no, where it was given, no, it was given minus 76, underline 76 minus 49, number was minus 49. It is very much clear. Minus 416 plus 386. What is sign of 416? What is sign of 416? Minus. What is sign of 386? Plus. So sign. Wait, you see, no sign means plus sign. 386 has no sign means it is plus sign. So what is sign of 416? Minus. What is sign of 386 plus? So, wait, minus and plus, they have opposite sign. Minus and plus, they have opposite sign. So I will subtract. Out of these two number, which is bigger? 416. I will take the sign of that, minus. Minus. Now subtract the number 416. Wait. 416 minus 386. 416 minus 386. We have to subtract the number. Plus minus 419. Minus and plus opposite sign means you have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 416. What is sign? Minus. So this is minus 16 minus 6 minus 6 0. Then 11 minus 8 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 130. Wait. 6. Wait. 6 minus 6 0. Then 11 minus 8 3. Then 3 is left. 3 minus 3 is 0. So it is minus 30. Minus 30 plus minus 419. Now we want to add. What is sign of 30? What is sign of 30? Minus. What is sign of 419? Minus. So both have minus sign, minus minus. So I will take the common sign minus minus as minus and add the number. Add the number. 30 plus 419 is 449. 30 plus 419. 30 plus 419 is 449. Answer is minus 419. Minus 449 is the answer. So whenever you have minus minus means you have to take the common sign minus and add the numbers. Minus minus means minus minus means you take the common sign minus and add the number. Plus minus means you have to subtract the number and take the sign of you have to circle that. Yes. Now let us do. Next is G. Next is yes, today I will check the chat box and take the definitely action. Yes. Now G. No, every day I am checking. Now write G. Yes, minus 14, minus 16 and minus 50. Add the following numbers, add the three numbers. So minus 14 plus minus 16 plus minus 50. Add the following numbers means we have to write the plus sign between the numbers. Now let us simplify first these two, minus 14 and minus 16. What is sign of 14? Minus. What is sign of 16? Minus. Minus minus means same sign. Minus minus means same sign. So we take the common sign minus minus as minus and add the number. 14 plus 16 is 14 plus 16, let me write, plus minus 50. So minus 30 plus minus 50. Minus minus means, yes, 30 I have written. Minus minus means you have to take the common sign minus and add the number. 14 plus 16 is 30. Now let us take, what is sign of 30? Minus. Wait, will you stop discussing? Let me explain. What is sign of 30? Minus. Sign of 50? Minus. Both have minus minus sign. Same sign means we have to take the, no, not 20. We have to take the common sign minus You have to take the common sign minus and add the number. Add the number because same sign. Same sign we have to add the numbers. Minus minus, common sign minus and add the number. 30 plus 50 is 80. 30 plus 50 is 80. So answer is minus 80. Minus minus means same sign, you have to add the number. You have to, Okay. Yes. Where? This is minus minus, minus minus, I have written minus and add the number. 14 plus 16 is 30. You can directly write 30. Instead of writing 14 plus 16, you can directly write 30, no problem. Yes. Where? Now let's see. When I am writing immediately was. Now I have completed G part. Yes, H I am doing. In this I am not giving any homework because these are, you have to understand. Yes, now try to understand H. If you understand, yes, if you understand H, H. If you understand H, then you will be easily able to understand F. H is minus 19, comma, minus 41, comma, 36, comma, 67. There are 4 numbers given. Minus 19, comma, minus 41, comma, 36, comma, 67. Let us add them. No comment, yes. Minus 19 plus minus 41, you have to maintain silence, plus 36 plus 67. We have to add 4 numbers. Now let us first add these two. Let us, yes. Yes, you can write, no problem. You can write, no problem. You can. Yes, no problem. Normally, plus sign is there, then we don't write that in bracket. Only minus number having minus sign we write in the bracket. But you can write that in the bracket, no problem. Now, what is sign of? Yes. What is sign of 19? What is sign of 19? Minus. What is sign of 41? Minus. So minus means same sign. So you have to take the common sign minus and add the number. 19 plus 41. Common sign is minus and same sign means you have to add the number. 19 plus 41 is 60. 19 plus 41 is 60. Other number we write as it is 36 plus 67. Now let us solve again 2 number first. Minus 60 and plus 36 we solve. What is sign of 60? What is sign of 60? Yes. Yes. What is sign of 60? What is sign of 60? Minus. What is sign of 36? Plus. So minus and plus, they have opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. What is the bigger number? Bigger number is 60. What is sign of that? Minus. I will take the sign minus and subtract the number. 60 minus 36. 60 minus 36 is 24. 24 plus 67. Whenever you have opposite sign, you have to subtract the numbers. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. It is minus and plus opposite sign, so we have to subtract 36 from 60 60 minus 36 is 24, and take the sign of bigger number. What is bigger number? 60. What is sign of that? Minus. So we write minus 24. Now let us simplify this again. What is sign of 24? Minus. What is sign of 67? Plus. Minus and plus, they have opposite sign. So whenever there is opposite sign, you have to subtract. Yes, and take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 67. What is sign of that? Plus, not minus, plus. No, plus will come because 67 is bigger. 67 minus 24, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 6 minus 2, 43. So we write plus 43. You write plus 43, or you can simply write 43, no problem. You write plus 43 or 43, both are correct. Because 24 is having minus sign and 67 has plus sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, minus and plus, we subtract. Subtract smaller number from bigger number. So 67 minus 24 is 43, and we take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 67. What is sign of that? Plus. So we write plus 43 or 43. Yeah. Yes, because yes, plus will come because 67 is the bigger number now. You have to take the sign of bigger number. In subtraction, no, it is minus 24. No, so my dear, if it is minus 24, we have to subtract. Yes, mute the microphone. Whenever they have opposite sign, whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract the numbers. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So this you remember, same sign means plus plus or minus minus. You have to add the number and take the common sign. If it is minus minus, the common sign will be minus, add the number. If it is plus plus, add the number, take the common sign plus. But whenever they have opposite sign, plus minus or minus plus, we subtract the numbers. We subtract smaller number from bigger number. Now this I have already written. No, this I have already explained in. Let us start fourth one. Now it is fourth one. 43 or plus 43 or 43. Anyone you can write. Write that. Find the value. Find the value. We'll see. Find the value. Because this you have to understand. And if you understand at this stage, you will find easily in 7th, 8th, 9th. Yes, no homework. Minus 8, right, minus 8, no homework. Plus 4, plus 4, plus minus 5. Wait, I am writing. No, please mute it. I will write. Everybody plus 3. So now we have to find the value of this expression. So find the value means first we solve these two. Minus 8 plus 4. Yes. Now what is minus 8 plus 4? See here. What is sign of 8? Minus. What is sign of 4? Plus. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So minus and plus, underline. Minus and plus means opposite sign. So you have to subtract 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Which number is bigger? 8. What is sign of that? Minus. So minus 4. Minus 4. Now other we write as it is plus minus 5. plus 3. Now again we simplify these two first. Minus 4 plus minus 5, we write equal to, what is sign of 4? Minus. What is sign of 5? Minus. Minus means same sign. Minus means same sign. So wait. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Now minus 4 and minus 5, they have same sign, minus, not 6. Minus, I will take the common sign minus and add the number. 4 plus 5 is 9. Same sign, you have to add the number. 4 plus 5 is 9 and take the common sign minus as minus. So minus 9 plus 3. Now let us add them, simplify. What is sign of 9? Minus. What is sign of 3? Plus. Yes. Wait, not plus is equal to minus. No. What is sign of 9? Wait, what is sign of 9? Minus. What is sign of 3? Plus. So they have opposite sign, minus and plus. Whenever they have opposite sign, minus and plus, we have to subtract. We have to subtract opposite sign and take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 9. What is sign of that? Minus. I will write minus, subtract the number. 9 minus 3 is 6. Answer is minus 6. Answer is minus 6. Answer is minus 6. So in this, there will not be any homework because you have to understand this part very nicely. Yes. Five sums are there. Let us do the B part. Yes, B part. 38. Yes, mute the microphone. 38 plus minus 3. Yes, mute the microphone. 38 plus minus 3. Mute the microphone. Yes. Stop talking. 38 plus minus 3. 38 plus minus 3 plus minus 68. Stop talking. Plus minus 7. Now let us solve them. 38. Yes, no problem. Now let us solve these two first. 38 plus minus 3. Now what is sign of 38? No sign means plus sign. So sign of 38 is plus. Sign of 3 is minus. So plus and minus means they have opposite sign. Plus and minus means opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 38. What is sign of that? Plus. So we write plus. 38 minus 3 is 35. So we don't write, we write plus we don't write in the beginning. It is, yes, directly 35. Because it is 38 is having plus sign. Yes. And 3 is having minus sign. So plus and minus means plus minus means opposite sign. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. Directly 35. Minus 68. What is sign of 38? Plus. What is sign of 3? Minus. So whenever they have opposite sign, plus and minus, we have to subtract bigger number minus smaller number. 38 minus 3 is 35. Now which number is bigger? 38. What is sign of that? Plus. We write plus 35. No. Yes. 35 plus minus 68. Let us simplify. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, no problem. Now what is sine of 35 plus? What is sine of 68 minus? So plus and minus, they have opposite sign. So I have to subtract. Yes, subtract. And 68 minus 35, 68 minus 35, 8 minus 5, 3, and then 6 minus 3, 3. So 68 minus 35 is 33. Now which number is bigger? 68. What is sign of that? Minus. I will write minus 33. I will write minus 33. Yes. 68, 68 minus 35 is 33. Which number is bigger? 68. What is sign of that? Minus. I will write minus 33. Now let us solve this. Wait. What is sign of 33 minus? What is sign of 7 minus? Minus means same sign. Whenever there is same sign, you have to take the common sign of minus as minus and add the numbers. 33 plus 7 is 40. No. Yes, answer is minus 40. You can take the common sign minus, then inside you write 33 plus 7, no problem. Because what is sign of 33 minus? What is sign of 7 minus? Minus means same sign. I will take the common sign as minus and add the numbers. 33 plus 7 is 40. So it is minus 40. Minus, we take the common sign minus. 33 plus 7 is 40. So answer is minus 40. Yes. Now let us do the C part. These are important exercise. You have to understand and there should not be any confusion. Circle. There should not be any confusion, because if you are confused with plus minus or minus plus, you will find 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th also this type of calculation, addition, subtraction. So there should be 100% clarity in understanding. Yes. Wait, I am writing. Now next is yes. Yes, no problem. Now next is minus 10 plus minus 10 plus 82 plus 94 plus minus 40. Normally whenever number has plus sign, we do not put the bracket. So now let us simplify these two first. Minus 10 and 80. Minus 10 and yes, no problem, you can put the bracket. Yes, no problem. What is sign of 10? Minus. What is sign of 10? Minus. What is sign of 82? Plus. Minus and plus, they are opposite sign. So whenever there is opposite sign, you have to subtract the numbers. Bigger number minus smaller number and take the sign of bigger number. So minus and plus, we have to subtract. Which number is bigger? 82. What is sign of that? Plus. So we write plus 82 minus 10. 82 minus 10 is 72. We write plus 72 or only 72. Because 10 is having minus sign, 82 is having plus sign. Minus and plus means opposite sign. Whenever there is opposite sign, you have to subtract the number, smaller number from bigger number. 82 minus 10 is 72. Which number is bigger? 82. What is sign of that? Plus. We write plus 72. Plus 72 or 72. Now plus 94 plus minus 14. Yes, I have subtracted. Now let us solve these two. Plus 72 and plus 94. What is sign of 72? Yes. What is sign of 72? Plus. What is sign of 94? Plus. So whenever there is plus sign, same sign, we have to add the number. Yes, so I will write the common sign as plus plus as plus. And 72 plus 94 I have to add. 4 plus 2, 6. 9 plus 7, 166. Whether you write plus 66, yes, whether you write plus 66, 166 or you do not show the, yes, 166 plus minus 14. You can show this plus sign, or even if you don't show the plus sign, does not matter. Now what is sign of 166? Plus. No sign means plus sign. No sign means plus sign. What is sign of 166? Wait. What is sign of 166? Plus. What is sign of 14? Minus. Wait. Whenever they have opposite sign, plus minus, I have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 166. Yes. And sign of that is plus. So I will write 166 minus 14, 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. Answer is 152. Plus 152. Answer is plus 152. Or 1. Yes. Okay. See, this is plus sign. Wait, this is plus sign and this is minus sign. This is minus sign. So plus and minus, they have opposite sign. Whenever there is opposite sign, you have to subtract the numbers. Bigger number minus smaller number and take the sign of bigger number. 166 minus 14 is 152. Which number is bigger? 166. What is sign of that? Plus. So it is plus 152. Yes. It is plus 152. Yes, 166 minus 14. And I have taken the sign of 166, that is plus. So we write plus 152. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 166. What is sign of that? Plus. So it will be plus 152. Now next is D part. Yes, D part. Minus 425. Minus 425. Minus 425. Plus 325. Yes, mute the microphone. Plus 100. Plus 100. Mute the microphone. Plus minus 100. Mute the microphone. Yes. Minus 425. Yes. These two you can write in the bracket, no problem. Now minus 425 plus 325. Sign of 425 is minus. Sign of 325 is plus. So minus plus opposite sign. Minus plus opposite sign. So you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 425. What is sign of that? Minus. I will write minus 425 minus 325 is 100. So answer is minus 100. Because 425 is bigger number. What is sign of that? Minus. I will take the sign of bigger number. So minus 100 plus 100 then plus minus 100. Let us solve. Minus 100 plus 100 we have to solve. Wait. We'll see now. What is sign of 100? What is sign of 100? Minus. What is sign of 100? Plus. So minus and plus, they have opposite sign. So I have to subtract 100 minus 100. I will write 0. And 0 has no sign. 0 has no sign, plus or minus. Because it is 100 is having minus sign and this 100 has plus sign. So minus and plus means opposite sign. Whenever there is opposite sign, you have to subtract. Yes, minus and plus opposite sign you have to subtract. So it is minus 100 plus 100 opposite sign It is minus 425 plus 325 is minus 100. No, yes. Yes, ask the doubt. Wait, let me first go step by step. No, minus 100 plus 100, they have opposite sign, minus and plus. So I have to subtract. 100 minus 100 is 0, and 0 has no sign. We don't write plus 0 or minus 0, simply we write 0 as 0. Then next is plus minus 100. Plus minus 100. Yes, now 0 plus minus 100, 0 has no value, so this will be minus 100. Yes, right. Join. Yes. So answer is minus 100. Now let us solve. Yes, send the request. Send the request. Then now solve E part. These are important problems. There should not be any confusion. Because it is minus 100 is already given in the question, no, my dear. Yes. So when you add 0 to minus 100, you will get the same number, minus 100 only. Now let us do the next part, E1. E minus 163 plus 163. Wait. Let me write the question first. Plus minus 163 plus 192 plus 163. There are 5 numbers. 5 numbers we have to add. 5 numbers I have to, 5 numbers we have to add. So we will go step by step. First I will solve these two. It is there bracket, no? Minus 1. In the question it is not given. So I have not. Yes. Now see here. Wait. Now what is sign of 163 minus? Wait. You can put in the bracket, no problem. What is sign of 163 minus? What is sign of 163 plus? Minus plus means opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. 163 minus 163 is 0. Then other number I will write as it is. Plus 192 plus 163. Minus 163 plus 163, opposite sign means minus plus means you have to subtract. 163 minus 163 is 0. Now these two I will simplify. Whenever we add 0 to any number, you get the same number. So 0 plus minus 163 will be minus 163 plus 192 plus 163. Whenever you add 0 to any number, you get the same number. So 0 plus minus 163 will be minus 163. Now let us simplify these two first. What is sign of 163 minus? What is sign of 192 plus? Minus and plus, they are opposite sign. Whenever there is opposite sign, you have to subtract. You have to subtract smaller number 163 from bigger number 192 and take the sign of bigger number. What is bigger number? 192. What is sign of that? Plus. So 192 minus 163 is 12 minus 3, 9. Subtract. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. Then 29. It is plus 29 because 192 is bigger. What is sign of that? Plus. Plus 163. Minus and plus opposite sign. No. Minus and plus opposite sign. So you have to subtract. 192 minus 163 is 29 because sign of 192 is plus. So you will write plus 29. Now, what is sign of 29 plus? What is sign of 163 plus? So plus plus means you have to add the number and write as common sign plus. So 29 plus 163, 9 plus 3, 2, then 192. Answer is plus 192. Answer is 192 or plus 192. 192 or plus 192. Because 29, where 29 is plus sign, 163 is plus sign, so plus plus means plus, and whenever they have same sign you have to add the number. So 163 plus 29 is 192. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the numbers. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the numbers. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the numbers. Yes. Same sign, add the numbers. Opposite sign, subtract the numbers. And in subtraction, you have to be careful. You have to take the sign of bigger number. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number in subtraction. Now, yes, now see, before we start fill in the blank, see, before we start fill in the blank, let us write. Yes, right. Fifth one. Yes, write fifth one. Fill in the blanks. But you write this in the notebook because I am going to write the reason. Right. Fill in the blanks. Right. Right. Minus 8. Minus 8 plus dash. Notebook only is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 we add to which number, you get the same number. No, in the notebook you have to write. Minus 8 plus which number you will add, you will get minus 8, 0. So you have to write the reason. See here, you have to write the reason. 0 is additive, right? 0 is additive identity. 0 is additive identity of integers. 0 is additive identity of integers. When we add any integer, to 0, we get the same integer. Because 0 is additive identity. When we add any integer to 0, we get the same integer. When we add 0 to any integer, we get the same integer. So this you have to remember, because 0 is additive identity. 0 is this, what you have to remember? Additive identity. Means adding 0 0 is additive identity. can add 0. When we add 0 is additive identity. 0. Yes. Now break is already. God has given all of you break today. God has given break of it was decision of God to give you break. So he make me log out. Now again I am doing login. Yes. No 5 minutes. Now let us do the second part, B part. Right. B part. Right, underline. So 12 plus minus 16. 12 plus minus 16 is equal to dash plus 12. Dash plus 12. 12 plus minus 16 is equal to dash plus 12. 12 plus minus 16 is equal to dash plus 12. So answer will be minus 16. Minus 16 plus 12, because we write the reason. Addition of integers is commutative. Addition of integer is commutative. Commutative means you have to write the reason, no? Addition of integers is commutative because we can add the integers in any order. That means we can add the integers. We can add the integers. We can add the integers in any order. Yes. We can add the integers in any order. We can add the integers in any order. Whether you add first integer to second integer or you add second integer to first integer, you will get the same answer. So 12. I have written after commutative. We can add the integers in any order. Whether you write first to second or second to first, you will get the same answer. Because see, what is 2 plus 3? Wait, what is 2 plus 3? Wait, what is 2 plus 3? 5. What is 3 plus 2? 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, so we can add the integers in any order. Whether you add first to second or second to first, you will get the same answer. So, addition of integer is commutative. Then third, commutative means you can add the integers in any order. We can add the integers in any order. Now next is, yes, mute the microphone. We can add the integers in any order. Now next is, right, No, answer will come same. Answer will come same, because see, 12 plus minus 16. 12 plus minus 16. What is sign of 12? Plus. What is sign of 16? Minus. So plus and minus means you have to subtract. So 16 minus 12 is 4. And what is sign of 16 minus 4? So this side answer will be minus 4. And this side answer will be also minus 4. Minus 16 plus 12 will also be minus 4. So whether you write 12 plus minus 16 or minus 16 plus 12, you will get the same answer. Whether you add first integer to second integer or second integer to first integer, you will get the same answer. Because addition of integer is commutative. Commutative means you can interchange the role. You can change the role of first with second. Wait. Now minus 4 plus 7. Minus 4 plus 7 is in bracket, plus minus 2 is equal to plus bigger bracket 7 plus minus 2. Which number we have to write in place of this? Minus 4 plus 7, minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 2, we write minus 4, because see what we have done, we have shifted the bracket. Where is bracket? Bracket is between first and second, and by shifting the bracket we write the bracket between second and third. So bracket was between first and second, now the bracket is shifted to second and third. So why they have same value? Because addition of integer is associative, right? Addition of integers is associative, right? Write the reason. Associative means we can shift the brackets. Where was bracket in the beginning? On left side. Now by associative property we shift the bracket on right side. So by write down. By associative property. Right. By associative property. Yes. We can shift the bracket. We can shift the bracket from left hand side to right hand side. LHS means left hand side to right hand side, and right hand side to left hand side. Any order. Right hand side to left hand side. We can shift the brackets. By associative property, yes. By associative property, we can shift the bracket. The bracket was given on the left side, so we can shift the bracket on right side. So you can shift the bracket from left hand side to right hand side. You will get the same answer. By associative property, we can shift the bracket from left hand side LHS to RHS right hand side, and right hand side to left hand side. We can shift the bracket from left to right, right to left. You will get the same answer. So by associative property, you can shift the bracket from left hand side to right hand side. Now D minus 72. I'm writing plus 72 is equal to minus 72 plus 72 is equal. B already I have erased, no? That you see in the video, no? Video I will upload. You can see it from there. Minus 72 plus 72. Yes, right. Minus 72 plus 72. What is 72? Yes, minus sign. What is this 72 plus sign? So minus and plus, they have opposite sign. I have to subtract. 72 minus 72 is 0. Answer is 0. So you have to write the reason. Minus 72 is additive inverse. We have seen the additive inverse, no? In additive inverse, we change the sign. minus 72 is additive inverse of plus 72. Minus 72 is additive inverse of plus 72. So when we add, right, when we add any integer, when we add any integer to its additive inverse, we get additive identity. We get additive identity 0. So whenever we add any integer to its additive inverse, we get additive identity 0. So minus 72 is additive inverse of 72. Minus 72 is additive inverse of 72. So whenever any integer is added to additive inverse, you will get additive identity 0. Additive identity 0. Additive identity. When we add any integer to its additive inverse, when we add any integer to its additive inverse, we get additive identity. We get additive identity. What is additive identity? 0. Additive identity 0. Whenever we add, write first. Right. Whenever we add any integer, yes. Whenever we add any integer to its additive inverse, we get additive identity 0. We get additive identity 0. So this 0 is additive identity. Underline. No, one more is there. Yes, only I am writing the E part. Use. No homework, because all these are important. See, all these are important. All these are important. You have to understand. Right. E part. Dash is yes. Dash is the identity element of addition. Is the identity. Yes, mute the microphone. Identity element of addition. Yes, element of addition. Dash is the identity element of addition. Yes, mute the microphone. Dash is the identity element of addition. Which is the identity element of addition? See here. What is the additive identity? Yes, we have seen, no? 0. 0 is the identity element. So we write 0. 0 is the identity element. So we write whenever any yes, 0 is the identity element, because when we add any integer to 0, we get the same integer. When we add any integer to 0, what we get? We get the same integer. That means 0 is identity element. 0 is identity element means whenever you add 0 to any element, any integer, you get the same integer. Now F part, the negative of absolute value of -3, the negative of the negative of absolute value of minus 3 is, the negative of absolute value of minus 3 is dash. No, we'll see. The negative means minus. Negative means minus. Then absolute value of minus, absolute value of minus 3. Negative means, right. Yeah, this you have to write. Negative means minus, and absolute value means vertical bracket, vertical line. Absolute value means vertical line. Absolute value means vertical line. So, see here, absolute value of negative integer and positive integer is always with plus sign. Whether it is negative integer or positive integer, absolute value of any integer is with plus sign. So minus sign will keep as it is, minus. Yes, right. Negative means minus. Absolute value means vertical line, minus 3. So absolute value of minus 3 will be plus 3. So minus 3. Minus sign is already there, no? Absolute value of minus 3 will be plus 3. Minus 3 is the answer. The negative of absolute value of minus 3 is minus 3. Yes, right. The negative of absolute value of minus 3 is minus 3. Because what will be this value? What is this answer? Minus is already there. Absolute value of minus 3 is plus 3. So answer is minus 3. Yes. The absolute value of yes. Absolute value of negative of absolute value of minus 3 is minus 3. Yes, ask. Yes, ask the doubt. Now absolute value means vertical line bracket. Yes, absolute value means vertical line. Absolute value means vertical line. Absolute value means vertical line. Wait, who said period is over? Still time is there. Yes. Nobody will remind me. Now let us start 6th. Replace. Right. Replace blank bracket by greater or smaller or equal to. You have to replace the blank bracket by greater or less than or equal to. Greater, less than or equal to. Now first A minus 3 plus minus 6. Minus 3 plus minus 6. Yes, minus 3 plus minus 6. Then we have blank bracket. Minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8. You can write. Now let us simplify. Minus 3 plus minus 6. What is sign of minus 3? What is sign of minus 3? What is sign of minus 3? Minus. What is sign of 6? Minus. Minus means same sign. So I have to take the common sign minus and add the number. 3 plus 6 is 9. So this answer is minus 9. This answer is minus 9. Let us see what is minus 8 plus 4. What is sign of 8? Minus. Sign of 8 is minus. What is sign of 4? Plus. Minus plus opposite sign. Circle. Minus plus, they are opposite sign, we have to subtract. 8 minus 4, 4. Yes. 8 minus 4, 4. Which number is bigger? 8. What is sign of that? Minus. So you get the answer minus 4. Now which number is bigger? Minus 9 is bigger or minus 4? See here, when you see the number line, this is 0. This is my minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Yes, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Now where is number? This is my minus 9 and this is my minus 4. Now which number is on the right? This is on right and this is on left. So the number which is on the right is bigger. Yes, minus 4 you have to circle. Now out of minus 9 and minus 4, if you draw the number line, no problem. Which number is on the right? Yes, tell me. Which number is on the right? Minus 4. So this will be bigger. This number is bigger. Yes, no problem. If you know that out of minus 9 and minus 4 is bigger, then there is no need to draw the number line. In number line, the number which is on the right is bigger and the number which is on the left is smaller. So minus 4 is on the right, minus 9 is on the left, so minus 4 is bigger. Minus 4 is on the right, minus 9 is on the left, so minus 4 is bigger. So to make you understand that, I have drawn the number line. If you know that minus 4 is bigger than minus 9, then there is no problem. Now let us do the second part. B, yes, no problem. B minus, yes, no problem. Minus 4 plus 2, then bracket, minus 4 plus 2 is also given in the bracket, is equal to minus 6 plus minus 1. Minus 6 plus minus 1. Let us simplify. What is sign of 4? Minus. What is sign of 2? Plus. Minus and plus, they are opposite signs. So I have to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. Which number is bigger? 4. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. This is minus 2. Yes, if you draw the number line, I had explained that whichever number is on the right, that is bigger. Minus 4 is bigger. Yes. Now minus 6 and minus 1. What is sign of 6? Minus. What is sign of 1? Minus. So minus means same sign. So I will take the common sign minus and add the number 6 plus 1, 7. So answer of this is minus 7. So now you have minus 2 and minus 7. Let us see the number line. Which number is bigger? Yes, you have to circle that. 0. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now, yes, I had explained. This is my right side. And where is minus 7? On left. So whichever number is on the right, that is bigger. So this is bigger. This is my bigger. This is bigger sign. Opening will be toward this because minus 2 is bigger. Which part? Which part you don't understand? Tell me. Yes. Minus 4 plus 2. 4 has minus sign, 2 has plus sign, minus and plus opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. 4 minus 2 is 2. Which number is bigger? 4. What is sign of that? Minus. We write minus 2. This is minus 2. Let us see this part. What is sign of 6? Minus. What is sign of 1? Minus. Minus means same sign. Whenever there is same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign minus. So 6 plus 1, 7, and common sign of minus will be minus 7. Because minus 4 plus 2, opposite sign, so you have to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. And which number is bigger? 4. What is sign of that? Minus. So now you have minus 2, minus 2 and minus 7. Which number is on the right? Minus 2. So whichever number is on the right, that is bigger. That means this side is bigger. Yes. This side is bigger. Yes, no comment, no discussion. Now let us see the C part and D part. These are important. Addition of integer, minus plus, plus minus, minus minus, plus plus. There should not be any confusion. You have to be totally confusion free. Yes. Now C part. C part. Minus 5, plus minus 2. Minus 4 plus minus 3. Plus minus 3. Yes. Now let us simplify. What is sign of 5? Minus. What is sign of 5? Minus. What is sign of 2? Minus. Minus minus means same sign. Minus minus means same sign. So you have to take common sign minus. Add the number 5 plus 2, 7. So this is answer is minus 7. Let us see this number. What is sign of 4? Yes. What is sign of 4? Minus. What is sign of 3? Minus. Right. Minus minus we write minus. 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is also minus 7. Both are having same number, minus 7, minus 7. So they are equal. Because minus minus means you have to add the number. So 5 plus 2, 7, and common sign minus minus will be minus 7. Minus 4 and minus 3 same sign, minus minus. Minus 4 and minus 3 same sign, minus minus means you have to add the numbers. 4 plus 3 is 7, common sign minus minus, common sign minus 7. Minus 7 and minus 7 both are equal. Let us do the D part. Minus 9 plus 4, minus 9 plus 4 plus 4, then minus 4 plus 9, minus 4 plus 9. We will see. What is sign of 9? Minus. What is sign of 4? Plus. Minus plus opposite sign. Minus plus opposite sign. Whenever there is opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 9. So what is sign of that? Minus. And 9 minus 4 is 5. So this answer is minus 5. Minus plus opposite sign, subtract 9 minus 4, 5. Take the sign of bigger number. 9 is minus 5. Yes, right. Now minus 4. 4 has minus sign. Wait, 4 has minus sign and this has plus sign. So minus, that is what I am telling, my dear. What is sign of 9? Minus. What is sign of 4? Plus. Minus and plus means opposite sign. So whenever it is opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. 9 minus 4 is 5. Which number is bigger? 9. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 5. Then minus 4 plus 9. Simplify. Yes, it is clear. Minus 4. What is sign of 4? Minus. What is sign of 9? Plus. Minus plus opposite sign. So you have to subtract 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now which number is bigger? 9. What is sign of that? Plus. So this is plus 5. Yes. So now this is minus 5 and this is plus 5. Which number is bigger? Yes. Which number is bigger? Plus 5. Plus 5 is bigger. So this is this way. Plus 5 is bigger. Plus 5 is because when you see the number line, draw the number line. See. Wait. Draw the number line. This is 0. This is 5. And this is minus 5. This is minus 5. Yes. This is on the right. This is on the right and this is on the left. So 5 is on the right. So 5 is bigger. 5 is on the right. So 5 is bigger. Now all of you take few problem for practice. Yes, no problem. No. It is not compulsory. Now you write surprise test. Write first. Surprise question to be solved. It is not given in the textbook. Surprise question. Right. This I want you, all of you, to solve. Surprise question. Notebook only, and you have to solve this surprise question. This you have to solve and send me on WhatsApp. Surprise question. Find the value. Yes. Find the value of the following. Find the value of following. Yes. You have to write and solve this. And this will be homework. Surprise question will be homework. Now first, minus 18 plus, minus 27 plus 35 plus minus 40 minus 47. You have to solve this. Second, minus 32 plus 45 minus 27. Wait. Minus minus 18. Third, minus 18 plus minus 27 plus 35 plus minus 47. Right? It's very much clear. Minus 17 plus minus 22 plus minus 28 plus 63. Then fourth. Now how you can leave? I am writing, you have to also write how you can leave. Minus 32 plus 42 plus minus 18 plus minus 12. Yes, you have to write the whole question first. It is very much clear, right? Yes. Yes. Let me write one more question. Yes. Minus 13 plus minus 5 plus 28 plus minus 9. 5 questions are there. Find the value of. Yes. I will give time for writing. Don't worry. See here. This today. Wait. See, this is my number. Again, I am giving you the number. On this number, I want the homework solution. This surprise. This surprise question. This is my number. This is my WhatsApp number. See, I want the solution of this to be sent on my WhatsApp today. Not. Yes. Which question? Yes, completed, then you can leave. Yes, completed, then you can leave. This I will upload on the YouTube. You see there. This I will upload on the YouTube. You see from there. And this answer, this solution, I want all of you to send me on my WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number, you have to send the solution 9930732714. This is the WhatsApp number. I want all of you to send the solution. Five questions are there. Yes, completed, then you can leave. Bye everybody. Take care. Yes, very good. Take care and take nutritious food. Don't take junk food. Yes, don't take the junk food. You take the nutritious food made with the help of your mother's hand and Nani's hand. Yes, take care. Yes, you can leave.